Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Today's video is going to be something a little bit different. You guys know I normally make videos about my vending machine business, but one of my friends here in Dallas actually buys and sells cars full-time. Like, that's what he does full-time. He buys cars, fixes them, and then sells them for profit. The crazy part about this though, okay? The crazy part is that he has his own dealership. Like, he actually has a dealership with a bunch of cars, and he's only 23 years old. So I was like, you know what? Let's go over there. Let's talk to him, see how he got started, and hopefully ask him how much money he makes. And also, by the way, not only does he have a car selling business, but he also has a vending machine business. I think he has like 10 vending machines on location. So if you guys want to see a collection video where I go and fill up his machines instead of mine, let me know down below. But anyways, let's go meet up with him. Alright you guys, so I finally made it to my friend's dealership, and to be honest, I was only expecting maybe 3 or 4 cars in the lot, but there's quite a few cars here. I would say there's maybe 20, maybe 30 cars in total, which is pretty cool. But he's actually inside. Let's go inside right now and talk to him. Hey, what's up bro? How's it going?
Yo, what's up everybody on YouTube, man? Welcome back, man. My name is Michael, and my YouTube channel is Nedu Boy, man.
Yep. So
welcome to my dealership.
Tell him like what you do. I know you do car rental, you have your dealership, you do vending, YouTube, anything else?
Yeah, I do social media marketing too, man. I do social media. I've done a lot of promotion on Instagram. Like last year, I made $5,000 just from Instagram.
Oh really?
Yes, I made $5,000 just from Instagram. Selling Instagram accounts, you know, making a lot of Instagram accounts and flipping them. So this is a dealer certificate and this is a service certificate, and I have my sales tax. So this is my office desk. I bought this office desk when I moved in here. Guess how much I bought it? Just guess.
$10.
No way, man, no way. So guys, I just bought this little water fountain here because it's really hot. Oh my god,
it's really hot right now in Texas. Super hot
in Texas. So I have to buy one of these.
It's a pretty cool office. You know, you have no space for everything. Something I did notice already is this over here. So you actually have your own vending machine in your dealership.
Guys, man, I have this vending machine, man. When I moved into this location, man, this vending machine was here. I have to look, guys. I have to drill it out right here, man.
Oh wait, so you can't get into it?
I can't get into it, and I don't have time. I've been so busy. Like, money might be in this machine. I don't know. Like,
hey, we should make I don't know if you saw that video. I made a video.
Yeah, I seen the video, but
we should do that because there might be some money inside. If you guys want to see that video, let me know down below. We can open it up and see if there's money inside. Yeah, this is a very, very old vending machine. So
that's why I don't care so much about the machine, man. That's why I don't care so much, man.
If you don't want it, I'll take it. I'll take it.
Yeah, guys. But this is it, man. This is and the rent I pay here every month. I cannot say it on YouTube, but I'm gonna give you guys a rough estimate. Yeah. So it's probably like, I say 700 to 900. So you guess. I cannot say the amount.
That's like rent for like this building? Or
yeah.
Like the office and the parking lot?
No, I pay more for the parking lot. No, so the parking lot.
Also, it's separate?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 27. So we can park 27 cars, yo.
That's good.
27 cars. And you guys can see. You know, this is probably gonna be the thumbnail, man. You know,
thumbnail right there. So also something very important is that you can't like worry about what other people say or like haters, you know. For example, like when I first started making videos, like other people that have been doing vending for like a long time, that do it full time, they were hating on me so much just because they were saying that like me making videos was gonna create more competition, you know. Yes, I would tell them there's money to be made for everyone.
Everywhere, man.
So for everyone that has been watching my videos for a long time, you guys might remember this car. So who owns this car? Is it yours?
Yes, yeah.
This is actually my car, but mine is white. I still have it back at home.
But yeah, it's a very nice car.
The one I have though is a convertible, but it's the exact. Wait, what year is this car?
Man,
mine's a 2008.
I think it's around the same year. Yeah, I think it's around the same year.
It looks a 2008 also.
Yeah.
I miss my car. I haven't driven my car in a long time, and I miss it. Alright guys, so I told you guys to drop a few questions on Instagram and Snapchat. So I'm asking you a few questions that people wanted to ask, alright? So the first question is, what made you start a dealership or like a vending machine business? Like what made you wanting to make some money, basically?
So guys, one of the reasons I wanted to start a business in general, vending business, you know, when I was young, I have a passion, man. I have a passion of being my own boss. I have a passion of working for myself, and I work very hard in any job that I did when I was young. You know, when I was working 9 to 5, I was one of the best employees. So if you love something that you want to do in this life, just go for it, because it will make you more happy when you love doing something.
Though everyone that wonders, like, how much money have you invested into the business? Like how much did you start and how much have you put into it?
In Texas, you can legally sell 5 cars, so I really didn't invest in anything because I didn't have a dealership. So I just went and bought the cars for $500, $300. That was my first investment when I started doing car business, and that's when I lost $3,000. I invested around $5,000 just to start a car dealership. You know, finding a lot, paying for the lot, getting your LLC, getting you gotta get a insurance for your car dealership. You have to get you know, so many things that you have to get. Even the license, the dealer license is almost $1,000. When I did my taxes and I put all the receipts that I spent on my car business, I spent almost $90,000.
Dang, $90,000.
Yes, in buying and fixing cars. So
I mean, you spent 90. You made profit though, right?
I made profit, but I didn't make a lot of money. You know, because that was I lost a lot of money because it was a mistake.
That's
and
crazy.
I'm not gonna say my profit right now because I'm gonna keep it for the taxes, man. But my profit is nice, man. I know every month I'm pushing around like $3,000 to $4,000 in profit in selling cars. When I started my car business, I wasn't in this location. I was in Green Oaks. Then, you know, I got in the city, started messing with me that I have to move and get a place that they have a lot of car dealerships. So
like they really told you have to move and go somewhere where there's dealerships? That actually makes so much sense, because like whenever I used to like drive down roads and there would be like a dealership on each side, I used to always wonder like, why is there so many dealerships on this road?
Like this division right now is all dealership. Like
I was driving down and like there's just a whole bunch of dealerships.
This car, when I bought it, this car was a Savage title. I bought it a Savage title. The only thing that was wrong with this car right now, I didn't fix anything. So the windshield right here was cracked. The windshield right here was cracked.
Oh really? How much was it to fix that?
So it cost me $160 to fix the windshield. The total that I spend on this car right now is probably $2,500. And
what's the asking price that you're trying to sell it for?
The asking price, I'm gonna put it at least $3,800. So I'm looking to make at least $1,000 on this car. So this car I bought it for $300. You guys can see it's not
really $300.
Yeah, I bought this for $300.
Because you normally only buy cheap cars just to sell fast, right?
Yes, just to sell fast.
For example, this car, right? This car, you say you bought it for $300, which is really cheap. So whenever you saw this car in the auction, like it's a really old car, you know? So like what exactly did you look into it, or like what made you buy it?
So when I bought the car, you guys can see, if you look at the engine real quick, it's an old car. You have to do a lot of stuff to even keep it up. So when I bought it, I checked the oil right here, man. You guys can see the oil is not bad. You know, that's a really good color. That's a brown color. So I checked the oil, and I checked, like, you know, all the transmission fluid. I checked the brake fluid. You know, I check around the car, man, and to see, you know, most of the time people look at the body too. Yeah. So I look at the body and say, okay, this car looks nice. It's gonna be somebody that really wants to grind, that really wants to buy a car and go to work, that doesn't care how a car looks. That's what you have to understand. That's true. There are people that do not care about how a car looks. They just want to go to work and make money.
All right, you guys, so of course it is almost dark now. We've been talking for the last, like, what, 2-3 hours?
Yeah, man.
We talked so much, but it was a good talk. You know, we talked about business and stuff. A good tip for everyone that wants to start a business: hang out with somebody that has the same mindset as you, you know? You can't, like, I was not able to talk to him about stuff I talked about with him with, like, other people, you know?
Yes.
Like, it's hard because it's not the same.
Your friends are who you are.
Yeah, that's true.
Who you hang out with is who you're gonna be in the future. When you hang out with people that have a very good mindset, your mindset start changing and start being great. So try to make good friends that have good mindset.
Yeah. I mean, give them an idea on how much money you can make, or what's the most money you've made. Like, just because there's gonna be some people out there that want to know.
It's probably $30,000.
Damn, in 1 month. That's crazy.
In 1 month, and you know that was a very brutal and hustling month. Like, I did not see my house. I only slept 3 hours a day. So,
I mean, I guess before we leave, what's your favorite car that you have right now?
Whoa, so guys, my favorite car right now is this baby right here.
Really, this one?
Yeah, I don't know why, man. I love this car. When you sit on this car, man, like, you feel like a boss, man. Like, yo, this car has so much space, man. Like, it feels so comfortable, man. And it has 60,000 miles, bro. Like, it
what
drives.
What year is it?
This is a 1999.
99.
You already know this is the outro look.
Somebody just got pulled over.
Yeah,
even in vending, like, don't buy an expensive machine, buy a cheap one, just to see how it is. Because like everyone that starts vending, a lot of people just get out of it because they give up, you know?
90% of people, right?
Yeah.
90% only.
Yeah, like, I've helped people in the past with vending on like what machines they should buy. They buy the machine, like, because I've sold people machines.
Yeah.
And then like a couple months, I see that they're selling the same machine. Like, they get out of the business. All right, guys, so of course, you know, he has his own vending machine business, and he actually has his product down here because he went to go restock his machines earlier. So let's see, I'm gonna go through his stuff and see what he sells exactly. I can see he sells, do Butterfingers sell good for you? Because they don't sell, really? I've never sold Butterfingers because I don't think they're gonna do good, but I mean, Honey Buns, I used to sell these, they don't really sell anymore. We got some Reese's, Kit Kats, what is that? Oh, these are like Mexican peanuts or something. Where do you buy these from?
Got the vending stuff, man. Ooh,
everything.
That money.
It's kind of money. Yeah, it's pretty easy, but you gotta spend money.
But you have to put time to it, right?
Yeah.
And you know you're gonna make a lot of mistakes, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So vending is, you know, it's easy, but you have to put a lot of time and stuff. But man, my boy Jasmine. What?